Now we have second type of construction. First type we have done a line divided into the given ratio. To construct a similar triangle to a given triangle as per the given scale factor. Scale factor will be given. So we have to draw a similar triangle to the given triangle. To the given triangle. A given triangle can have all the sides and some other conditions that we have seen in previous classes. How to draw if the conditions are given. How to draw the triangle. Why that way we will draw the triangle. And then we have to draw here similar triangle, but the scale factor will be given. Scale factor will be given. Here you can see that scale factor is 3:4, 3 upon 4. So there are two types of construction, 3 upon 4. Here denominator is bigger than the numerator. And in the next part, denominator is smaller than the numerator. So these are two types of construction. So before starting, you should see that whether denominator is bigger or smaller. I will tell you what will be the difference in doing it. Oh. Only just you remember whichever is bigger. First of all, you have to remember that whichever is bigger. In suppose here bigger is 4, so we have to divide this line in 4 parts. And here 7 is to 5, 7 by 5. The next one is 7 by 5 by 3. Sorry. So 5 by 3. So 5 is bigger. So this line will be divided into 5 parts. Okay. That only you have to remember. Okay, so I will take first question. Not first question we have done. So if you see in this, you have only two types of constructions. Constructing triangle is a different thing that we have already done. Here, all the three sides are given. 2:3. Denominator is bigger. 7:5. Denominator is smaller than the numerator. 1 whole number 1 by 2. 2 1 the 2 plus 1 3 by 2. Denominator is smaller. Denominator is bigger. Denominator is smaller. Denominator is smaller. The denominator is bigger and smaller. If you see only in third, denominator is bigger in second, bigger in fifth. That's it. Yes. Second and fifth are same type and all other are same type. Okay. So we will start from taking the two types of construction. Then you can do all the construction. So first of all, a triangle with given measurements, you have this triangle with side 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 6 centimeters. Okay, 4, 5, and 6 centimeters. So you have to draw this triangle. First of all, you have to draw this triangle. So whichever is bigger, that side we will draw first. So draw 6 centimeter side. Okay, so we will draw 6 centimeters first. Six centimeters. Okay. Now this is BC. Suppose we take BC as 6 centimeters. ABC is not given. We can take BC. So steps of construction, we will write this steps of construction. Number 1, draw a line segment BC, length of length, draw a line segment, small line segment BC is equal to, in short you should write line segment, whatever short way you can write the step, try to do that one, 6 centimeters, okay. Now you have one side 4 centimeters, another side 6 centimeters. So anywhere you can take left side 6 or right side 6, it doesn't matter. 5, sorry, 5 and 4. So we are taking here 5 and here we will take 4 centimeters. So we have to take the compass, correct, and adjust at 4 centimeters. Left side we are taking 5 centimeters. So adjust at 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. Okay. 5 centimeters. Keep it here. And draw 5 centimeters arc. Draw an arc of 5 centimeters. This side we need the arc at this side. Okay, so draw then this arc. Now this is 5 centimeter. Now you have to take 4 centimeters. Reduce 1 centimeter. Okay. And keep it at T. And draw another arc which intersects this arc. And join, this is our A point. This is point A. Now join AB and AC. We get the given triangle. This is our given triangle. AB, join AB and AC. This is the given triangle. So this depends on the given condition. This triangle will depend on the given condition. Whatever conditions are given, accordingly you will draw this triangle. So here we can show whichever is 5 centimeter, whichever is 4 centimeter. So this is 5 centimeter. This is, you have taken 4 centimeter. This is 6 centimeters. Okay. Now next step is very important. 2:3. Now we have to make another triangle whose size will have in the ratio of 2:3. First of all, 2:3 means the other triangle we will check whether we can have outside or inside. 2:3 means bigger than this. 2, if its length is 6, so the ratio of them will be 2 is to 3. So that means the outer side will be bigger. Okay, that you leave it. You should do one thing. Just remember which is bigger, 2 or 3. Out of this 2 and 3, which is bigger? Okay. So these steps of construction, you can write in very short manner that construct a triangle. We cannot write in a very long way with center this, with center that. Otherwise, it will be very big steps of construction. So construct or we have taken a draw a line ABCD. Then you can write with okay. You can write with center with with center B and radius 5 centimeters. Draw an arc. Draw an arc. Then third, again we have taken center C. So with center C, with center C and radius 4 centimeters, draw an arc intersecting the previous arc intersecting the previous arc at A. Join AB and AC. ABC is the given triangle. Join AB and AC, AB and AC, then triangle ABC is the given triangle. This is the given triangle. So another triangle we have to draw. Okay. So now what will you do? You will make one line from this B down below this BC. You can make a line of any length. Okay. After that, you can see that whichever is bigger, 2 and 3, which is bigger, 3. So you will divide this BX. Suppose here you will make three equal parts. You have to make 3 equal parts by using compass. So you can take any length. It is up to you now. You can take any length, but here I will take some what bigger than, because with this one it is difficult to make very small length. I will try. Then okay. So 3 parts divide. From here you will put the compass and draw one arc how many arcs we have to draw? 3 arcs, because 3 is bigger than 2. Whichever is bigger, that after this you will put here the compass and draw another arc. Okay, then keep the compass here and then draw the third arc. That's it. 3 parts. We have to make the 3 parts. These parts. So what we have done, along BX, make an acute angle. This is called CBX, acute angle. So fifth part is we have to make one line with the acute angle. Acute angle. This angle should be acute angle less than 90 degrees. So below BC, draw a ray BX such that angle CBX should be acute. So it should be acute angle less than 90 degree. Any angle you can take, but less than 90 degree. And then mark of 3 point B1, B2, B3. This is B1. We will take this is B1, B2, and B3. So mark of 3 points. B1, B2, B3 along AB. Sorry, BX. Along BX. Along BX. Mark of 3 points. B1, B2, B3. 3 points. B1, B2, and B3 such that all should be same length. B1 is equal to B1, B2 is equal to B2, B3. So this length should be same. Okay. Now denominator. So there are two things you have to remember. Number one, you will take divide into maximum number, divide bx into, I will rub this one, just you have to remember, into maximum number of times, maximum into maximum value, means maximum value into maximum value of ratio, whatever ratio is given, whichever is maximum, numerator or denominator. Here denominator is maximum, we will divide 3 times, 3 parts. Okay, if either here denominator is bigger, if numerator is bigger, you will divide in that number of parts. That's it. Do not add, only the maximum number. And third one, after this, you have to join the outermost part and joining outermost part. That means B3 to C, joining last point, last mark, joining last mark to C. These two things you have to remember. So now last part means, no, not last part, the denominator one part. Here it is denominator. The second part you can change. Then T join to denominator. If denominator is 3, T join S per the denominator. S per denominator. How? Means here denominator is 3. Here denominator is 3. So you will join with P3. If it is 2, it is 3 by 2, then we will join 2. Okay. In the inner one, not outer one. Huh? So here we have given the 3. So we will join first 3, B3 to C. Join B3 to C. These are the things that you have to remember. B3, B3, C. So next step, number 7, you will write join B3, C. Up now what we have to do, that is very important. B3 and numerator is 2, so B2. Now we have to draw one line which is parallel to B3C. Means B2D parallel to B3C, one line parallel to. For that we need to have this angle. If this angle you know, then you can make same angle here, and then you can draw the straight line. Okay. For that actually we should measure this angle and then take the same angle there. This angle we have to measure this angle. Huh? But here I have a problem with this, is very small. So I cannot make here, but I will show you. From here, what will you do first? From here you will make one arc. There from B, you have to make one arc from B like this. Okay. And then same length, same arc from B2 like this. And then from here you will check this. From here you will check this angle. From this point you will put the compass and check this angle, and the same angle you have to draw here also, so that this line should be parallel, and then joining these 2 points you get the line which is parallel to this line. It is passing through this. It should be parallel actually. So this cut should be come here on, like this. Okay. Then this will be parallel. Anyway, we have to draw the parallel line. That's it. But drawing the parallel line, these two angles should be same. For making these two angles, we should show this one arc here, one arc here, same radius, and then measure this one part, and same arc you have to draw here and join this. So you will get the parallel. Similarly, here also you will make one arc at C. You need one side which is parallel to this. So what we used to do with the scale, and but we have to show this should not be done, but actually that becomes, for me it is difficult here to draw the same arc. So what I used to do this like this. I need the parallel line to this one. So I will make exactly parallel scale. Okay. Now it is parallel. So when I will move this parallel scale, this will give the parallel line to this. So that's why I can do it here, but you have to make the, sorry, you have to make the angle same. So like this you will join. Got it? But what will you do? You will have to show this If you are doing like this, then but you have to show in exam this arc from C, this arc, and same arc should be here, and this length and this length should be same. So this will show that you have taken the same, means parallel line, and this will meet at suppose E point. So that, so now we got two ABC was the given triangle and EBD is its similar triangle. Okay, so the ratio of the triangles are 2 is to 3. Their ratio will be 2 is to 3. Got it? So then we have to write join from B2. Now the last step 7, after 7th, 8th step, from that we have done B2, from B2, draw B2D, B2D parallel to B3, C, B2D parallel to B3, C, and 9 from D, draw DE parallel to CA. That's it. Okay, then BED is the required triangle. Then BED, triangle BED is the required triangle. If you are taking ABC, so it will be EBD. We should write EBD. Triangle EBD is the required triangle. With the ratio, this inside triangle will have less ratio. So BE, if you find BE is corresponding to BA, BE upon BA, you will find 2 upon 3 ratio. So inside we are drawing. So the given triangle will be outermost outer triangle, and inner triangle will be the required triangle. So BE upon BA, or if you find DE upon CA, or BD upon BC, you will get 2 upon 3. Sometimes they ask justification. So this is the justification. Since DE is parallel, so the ratio, since DE is parallel to AC, therefore it divides in the same ratio. BD upon DC is equal to BE upon EA, similar triangles. So they are similar triangles. So that's why we can show that the justification, this is the justification actually. Just you have to show that you have drawn the correct triangle. How will you justify? But generally we are not asking justification. Hmm? Pass, then you can do it. That's that's the first type. Second type we will do in the next class, last period. Then this exercise will be finished. Only there are two types of